With online dating on the rise, here's how you can spot a romance scammer in your DMs. First, check their profile. If their photos look way too perfect and their bio is totally empty, they're probably using stolen images to build a fake, trustworthy persona. Next, watch out for rapid declarations of love. If they say, "I'm in love with you," before you even met, there's a 99% chance they're a scammer. They'll also try to rush you off the platform by saying, "Let's move this conversation to WhatsApp," to bypass dating app security, while making convenient excuses like, "I would FaceTime, but my camera is broken." They might even try to isolate you by insisting, "This relationship can just be our secret," right before dropping the ultimate red flag phrase, "I'm in a bad situation, and I need your help." Protect yourself by insisting on a video call, reverse image searching their photos, and never sending money to someone you've only met online.